Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckinridge County High School Principal Adam Cox, welcoming you to the 2020-2021 reopening Breckinridge County School District, and in particular, Breckinridge County High School. So please allow me a few minutes here to give you a welcoming to our website and what we've got moving on from here. And to this link, to this Google Sheet here that you're looking at, have various information, videos to explain how our school year is going to go on. So I do want to start off by just thanking our teachers for the outstanding work they've done here for the first 6 weeks of the school year. I also want to thank all of our student body for the outstanding work that they've done on our remote learning plan, taking care of business at home, and also thank you to our parents. I know this is a very challenging and difficult time for all, and I do appreciate all the communication that we've had back and forth, and all the help that you've given your young men and young women at home in order to make them successful. So I do appreciate that. We've made it through this part, and now the fun part. We get to have our students back in this building, and we can't wait. I know I'm not going to speak for myself here. I've talked with many teachers, many people ready to really looking forward to getting our students back in this building where we can work with them and provide them all the opportunities we have here at this high school. It's a wonderful building. We've got 920 students, so our attendance is growing, and it's a wonderful place. We're really working very hard on providing our students with opportunities here. Our ATC is completed, and it's got a brand new industrial maintenance program over there that looks unbelievable. So amazing opportunity for our students. And then our high school here has added many pathways, many career opportunities, from computer technology to engineering to aviation to teacher education, learning how to be a teacher, early childhood development. So really have done a great job of adding opportunities for our students. So we do look forward to getting them back here in the building, and we look forward to working with you through this process. Just a reminder, remote learning we will continue on a remote learning plan with an A-B schedule. So students will be coming to our school for 2 days a week, and Group A will be on days Monday and Tuesday, and Group B will be on Wednesdays and Thursdays. And there'll be no students in the building on Friday. Teachers only here. Be a great day for you to work on some makeup work, additional assignments that will be given those days, and also to contact our teachers. They will be available all day on Fridays for you. Be sure you get familiar with our website. You can go on our website and find an email for all of our teachers. Also, you will be able to go in there and pick up our Notify Me's. Any kind of information that's going on in our school district at that time, you can log on to our website, and it can help you out with that. So this below me here is going to be just short videos of anywhere between 30 seconds to a minute and a half, 2 minutes, just quickly explaining different procedures and protocols that we'll be implementing here at the high school this school year to make sure your students are safe and secure when they're here in our building, and also that they're getting the full opportunity to receive the best education that they can receive. So really looking forward to having them back in our building, and I can't wait. And I will leave you how we start every day here at the high school, and we live by: work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.